Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another taste test episode of Griddle Porn. Excuse my thumbs getting in the camera. I don't have a holder with me, and I'm sitting in the car, and it's hard to hold the phone and talk at the same time, if you're me. Anyway, we are at the Sandlot in Park Ridge, Illinois, and let me show you what we got. So, we got some hand-cut fries. We got a burger. This is their 2 and 2. And, hold on. Sorry again. Trying to... Ooh, can you stay there? That might work. You're balanced on the steering wheel. Don't move. So, the Sandlot... this was $13 for the fries, the burger, and a bottle of water. And just look at those fries, huh? Look at that. I've been here once before, just had the burger. It was delicious. I didn't get the fries, but for you, I had to get the fries this time. They're okay. Could be just a little, see, they're a little, I like mine a little crispier. But, if you're familiar with In-N-Out and their double-double, this is very comparable. They call it the 2 and 2. And let's take a taste test. Look at that. Can't take me nowhere. Did I even get... Oh. There's still fries in the bag. That's how many fries they give you. And I do not have a napkin. Gosh darn it. Excuse my messiness. Anyway, it's a fantastic burger. It's every bit as good as In-N-Out's. Grilled onions. Fries are okay. Just cook them a little longer. I don't like wimpy fries. Oh, they're very basic. It's like a hole-in-the-wall place. They've got a single, a 2 and 2, a 3 and 3, and a 4 and 4. If you're really hungry. Oh, look, there's a jet flying behind me. We're not far from O'Hare Airport. They have a BLT I really want to try, a chicken sandwich, milkshakes, homemade milkshakes. They make them right there in front of you with like fresh strawberries for the strawberry, and they have the concrete mixers or whatever they're called, with M&Ms and Butterfinger or whatever, kind of like Culver's concretes. Crisp your fries, dudes. The fries are a 3. If I had a milkshake, it would probably be a 4 or 5. The burger's a 5, absolutely. It's 2 thumbs up. But that's what we've got today. Once again, looking for the hole-in-the-wall places. Yeah! That feels better. I think I touched my brain. O'Hare's busy today. Go figure. Yeah, I love finding mom and pop, hole in the wall, independent places. Avoid chains if at all possible, unless it's maybe In-N-Out or White Castle or Carrabba's. or maybe a Waffle House at 2 in the morning. But most chains that you're not gonna find. McDonald's ain't got nothing like this. This is delicious. So, thanks for watching. You know what? There's so much like In-N-Out, I wouldn't be surprised if there's a secret menu item of fries, animal-style fries. Their sauce is very similar. Anyway, thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.